This is a quick overview of the user manager in the company admin module. If you are a company admin, you can access the user manager by clicking on admin in the top navigation bar and then user manager in the side navigation bar. This will take you to the user manager. Here you will be able to see all of the users for this particular company. You can edit these users by double clicking on a property in the grid and then editing it how you wish, then clicking enter, and then it's saved. You can do the same for last name and email as well. You can edit the roles by double clicking on the property or by clicking on this edit icon. You can edit system roles and custom roles. System roles determine access to modules. For example, if we take a look at the system roles, you can see that there's a visionary admin role and a visionary hierarchy admin role. These give access to the admin module and hierarchy module, respectively. Make your selections or any removals, and then click enter, and now it's saved. Custom roles determine what Power BI reports a particular user has access to. So if I wanted to see what Power BI reports that this Austin test person should be able to see, I can click on this edit icon, and this will show me all the roles that they have. Also included on this little slide out panel are the Power BI reports for this particular role. So using the slide out panel, I can see which roles they have access to and which reports they have access to. You can search for a role by clicking into this box and then typing for the role that you wish to add, or you can simply select from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can click on these panels to add and remove different roles, and when you're happy with all of your changes, you'll just click Save, and now the changes are saved. There are a few other controls to review. You can remove users by selecting the user you want to remove and clicking the Delete Selected Rows icon. This will make a dialog pop up. Here you can review any of the users you wish to delete, and if you're happy with your selection, click Delete. You can also export the users on this list by clicking Export Data. Either export all the data, which will export all of the data on the grid, or you can export selected data, which will be denotated by the check marks here. This will download this information as a CSV file that you can use on your computer. You can use this search bar to filter your results on the grid. So for example, if I type in John, you can see that only John appears while Austin is hidden. You can sort by any column by clicking on the column name, and you can also apply filters by clicking on this little filter icon in the column and then using the controls here to create a filter to display exactly what you need to display.